What's up, guys? This is Roy the Barber. I'm back. Just got my package. Just got this package. Supposed to be my clippers. Supposed to be my clippers from AliExpress. And this is how they came. No box. Just like this. So it's here. Just came just like this. That's why they cost $30, man. They did put some guards in here. Let's see what they got. Okay, these are pretty nice guards. They're pretty nice. I don't know. Pretty nice. We got all the way up to 8. All the way up to 8. All the way up to 8. So, let's see. Nah, oh man. All the way up to 10. They're giving you a 10 guard. 9, 10 guard. Oh, this half guard pretty cool. It's that half guard. Oh. One guard. One guard. Do they got a half guard up in here? Let's see. Actually, the one guard is the half guard, and the 2 guard is the 1 guard. So they call this their 1 guard is the half, and the 2 is the 1. That's pretty interesting. So technically, all of them is they just don't have a 0. They just start at 1, but the sizes, because it's 3 guard, is a half guard. Is the 1.5 guard. And USB-C charging. I'm in America, so I can't use this plug. No oil. But clipper brush, and voila, the machine. The machine. This is my first time buying this, the Kenny, whatever this machine is. Whatever this machine is. So it's supposed to spit a DCL blade, but the cutting blade is probably not so great. The lever is pretty good. Click system, pretty sturdy. Pretty sturdy. And also, let's see. Look at that. This thing has a light to help you cut. That's crazy. The thing comes with a flashlight. This thing has a flashlight. This is a nasty machine. So it starts at 9,000 RPMs. Now this is a tech. This is tech. 295 minutes available. That's a nice machine. This is a nice machine. This is a nice machine. Just a quick unboxing. Look at that. That's amazing. This thing has a flashlight. I would never thought that. This is a nice clipper. This is a nice clipper. I don't know how it cut yet, but this is definitely a nice clipper. Wow. This thing has a flashlight. So it's the lowest it goes is 7,000 RPM, and it goes up to 9,000. Increments of 500. So it has 4 speeds. 4 speeds, so it go from 7,000 to 9,000. And yeah. But most likely I might be running it at probably running at 7,500 just to get the maximum time. It don't have to be too fast. I probably changed the cutting blade on here. I probably have everything. Yeah, it's a nice blade. I probably zero gap this one. It's a good machine. So far, it gets my approval just because of the flashlight. Just because of the flashlight. You talk about you can take this and it can help you see. That's crazy. Right on the head. That's pretty unique. That's crazy. Alright, part 2. Give my assessment of the cutting and see how it goes. Alright guys, I really didn't record on nobody using these right here. I didn't record on them. I just tried them out to see how they are. But the one thing I noticed about these, first of all, tech is dope. The tech is dope. Four speeds from 7,000. Tech is dope. Flashlight built in. So the tech is dope in these. Tech is dope. But one thing I did notice that this blade, when it comes to opening and closing, is thin, very thin. So I'm gonna change the blade on these. So I'm gonna put this vapor blade on it. It's a little thicker, get more reach. And also I'm thinking about changing the blade, the cutting blade also. See what I got in my toolbox. Like I said, This is I got a lot of different accessory blades, things like that with different cutting blades. I'm gonna see if I can make it work with one of these cutting blades I might have up in here. You know. See if I can make it work with one of these cutting blades. Just in case. But the machine is dope. The machine is dope. It's quiet. It doesn't get hot that much. But let's see how it opens up. See what we got. Let's take it out. Let's see if we can see what we can do. See if we can put another steel blade. So I'm gonna try this blade right here on this machine and see if it works. So the spacing here, the spacing is a little bit big, but that's okay. It's a little slight little wiggle room. So I think it'll be okay. So I'm still gonna use this cutting blade. I don't want the wiggle room on here, so I'm still gonna use the cutting blade. So I'm gonna put this blade back on here because I still have some play on this one. It's still like a little play. This is like the Barber's cutting blade, so it still has a little play. The holes right here on this one is a little bit more smaller. This is a little bit bigger cut. So I'm gonna put that back in the box and put this blade back on there. I was just trying just to see what we work with. So I'm gonna put this back, put it back on there. We're gonna put it back on there. So I'm just gonna change the cutting blade. So this is the blade that was on it. See how thin that blade is? If you're looking for a very thin blade, it's thin now, but it's thin. It's thin. You can see it. That blade is thin. It is super thin. It is like the old school Andes cutting blade. That's what it reminds me. This reminds me of the Andes blade. But I'm gonna put this boy on here. This vapor blade on here. That's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna rock with it like that. I think it's good enough. I don't have no complaints on the cutting blade. I was just trying to, you know, since I've taken it apart, see if I could put a different cutting blade on it. So most likely it has to be the JRL blade, cutting blade. So it's okay. And like I said, it fits. It fits on there now. So I don't need to zero gap it. Just get as close as possible, get that skin line out, and That'll work. See what we're working with. I think that's cool. But it's a dope blade, man. Dope machine. So let's see how it works over time. See if it lasts. I like it. It comes with the hook. To hook it. USB-C. Spotlight. Pretty clean, pretty dope. So this is going to be, I'm gonna try them all day, see how they move. All right, let's compare these that's open. See how these two are open. Let's see. Oh man, it's pretty similar. Let's get another machine, see how the open blade looks on it. Let's see how the open blade looks on it. Yeah, look at that open blade. So the halves are similar on this machine. One thing I had complaints about my machine here is that the half is a little bit more shallow on this one. See, like the half on this one, that's why I put the taper blade on here, just to give me a little bit more regular reach. But the half is a little bit more up on there. So this is a more shorter half than this one. So this machine has the same half opening as standard clipper as far as your walls or your style craft or anything like that. Standard half. But is it a buy? Yeah. $30? Yeah, buy. $30? Yes. $30. $30 plus shipping. And it comes with, and that's the runtime left on it. I didn't charge them. They came just like this. Standard. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you're still watching, I appreciate it. And I'm out. Any questions, later on, give me a little time to really just put these to use. I just got them in. So I'm going to rock them for about a good month and see how they go. See how they cut with kids. See how they do bulk removal. Let's see how they do different textures of hair. See how I do wave cut, clipper over comb. All the techniques I'm going to try with this clipper. Just briefly, just to try it out. Alright? But I'm still going to have my old trusties over there. I'm still going to use my trusties. But I'm gonna work them in sometime just to see how they feel. And I'll let y'all know. Peace.